You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this surname from Portuguese, also quite popular in Brazil. The Portuguese pronunciation and how you can easily say it in English. Portuguese, Goncalves. Gon, alright, so it's like an on sound almost, gon, although it's slightly different in Portuguese. Then the C with a little symbol is like an S, Goncalves. It's like a ves sound, but it's almost like an E. Goncalves. Now, there's going to be different accents depending whether it's Portuguese or Brazilian Portuguese, but overall, Goncalves. How to pronounce Goncalves. Goncalves. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.